Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Red 392, and in today's product review, we're going to be reviewing Dura-Dressing Tire Dressing Kit. I think these guys might have answered the question to tire sling. With this stuff put on your car or on your tires properly, once you clean it, which the cleaner is here. And before I start with that, let me let you know what's in the box. You get an applicator for low profile wheels. Get another one for the bigger wheels, because this is the XL package. So it's for either one pickup truck, the XL package is, or two vehicles. So well, a car, two cars, or a car and a small SUV. I'm guessing because of the tire size. But you got the cleaner, the applicators for both low profile and regular size wheels, as well as a very durable brush, tire brush, to clean the tires. I just cleaned my tires with it and used the Dura cleaner as well, and this stuff is awesome. That's a good quality brush. I'll use this on my wife's car when I apply it to her car. So this is the dressing right here, the Dura dressing. It's a little watery when it goes on. You need an hour for it to set in on the car, and you can apply it multiple times. So if you're not satisfied with the shine of the first layer, you can go again with another layer. As you see, it's starting to cure. I already did it on my passenger side wheel. I saw that it was a semi shine or semi gloss, and I just did it again and it got glossier. So I'm doing 2 coats of the Dura dressing on my wheels, and there's enough in here, I can tell just by the way I'm using it, to do my wife's vehicle as well. I'll be doing that one on another day, because I'm going to be putting this to the test. So as soon as I put it on my car, I'm going to be going on a road trip. Then we're going to the track. I'm going to take it down the track, see how it holds up. I'll give you guys those reviews as well when we're at the track. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the wheel and finish detailing my car. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I like cleaning my car. So it goes on with a bluish haze. Also, make sure to roll your wheel when you're cleaning. So when you go to roll your wheel to apply this, you get 100% coverage over the entire wheel. Like I said, I already did my passenger side. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and do my other 2 wheels. Then I'm going to roll it, and we'll be right back. Alright, so now that I've rolled it, I'm going to apply some more the Dura tire dressing. I only put a little bit right there. I know it's just watery, so with that little bit, and this sponge is very malleable, like you can see how I squeeze it up, more comes out. So I'm doing mine like that so I don't get it on my rims. If you do get it on your rims, it's fine. They say just to wipe it off before it dries, so don't worry about that. Kind of accident proof, but if you get to wipe it off of your rim, then I guess you got to go through getting it, I don't know, power wash or something. So like I said, I'm putting 2 coats on. I like to shine the 2 coats. And that one squeeze is enough for all of my wheels too. So, be right back. Alright guys, so that's the finished product. I'll give you guys a close-up of it in a second. This is how all the wheels look now, and we're going to put it to the test and see how it handles long ride after an hour of sitting, and then the drag strip later on today. So I'll see you guys in a minute. And there you go. Let me see if I can get it. There you go. So let's see if this shine lasts. We're gonna put them to the test today. But I mean, I like the way it looks. I like the shine of it. The product packaging is amazing. All right, guys, so that was the Dura-Dressing review and application. Now we're going to be doing a shorter review or an update review later today when we're at the track, and after a 2-hour ride. We can do the speeds, you know, regular stuff, highway speed, 70, 75. When we get to the track, let you guys know how it does with that. I'll give you guys an update when we get there. This see how the tires look once we get there. And then another update after I take a few passes on the track. And then one last update when I get home. And then the next update will be in 3 months. So, see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, so that's how the tires look after 45 minutes of driving. And we're gonna be doing an update once we get to the track. So, holding up pretty good right now. We'll see how it's going once we get to the track and go down to the passes. See you guys in a minute. All right, guys, we made it. We made it to the track. The Dura, here's how the tires look now. Let go a little bit of dirt. So we put that to the test. I'm gonna wash it off and see how it is when I get home tonight. That's how the car looks now. We're gonna actually go and make a pass in the Daytona. There's the number right there. My buddy's GoPro on it. And we're gonna see what you can do. So, here we go.
Tire smoke. Which one do you think get that first? Left or burger? We'll pick the burger. All right.
So here are the wheels after 4 hours of driving and drag racing. I'm going to wash them off in the morning, give you guys a full update of how the Dura-Dressing held up. So they're dirty right now. They claim you can wash it off and it stays shiny. So here we are, and I'll give you guys an update tomorrow afternoon. All right, guys, it's the next day, and as you can see, there's dirt in grime on the tire, we're gonna just wash it off and see if the tire shine is still there. And then we're gonna detail the car because the car is filthy. So here we go. Alright guys, so the wheels are clean now. The car is detailed. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of the wheels. The sheen is still there. So other than me letting pressure out the back, tire pressure, that's why the top part of it is kind of gone, because, you know, lower pressure in the back, the car is dipping, the tire's getting a little bit wider, so that's why that part is gone. But the rest of it's still there on all the tires. I'm very impressed with the product. I'm gonna do a walk around of the car, show you the tires, and that'll be the end of this Dura-Coating Technology's tire dressing update. And we'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed it. Later.
I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn, I'ma make it burn,
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!